In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Facebook something went wrong on newsfeed. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and try to clear your browser and application cache on your Android. Just head to settings and then head to storage and then click on Facebook and clear cache. On iOS, it's very different. So open your app store, click on your profile icon, click on the personalized recommendations and click on clear app usage data. This will clear all the app usage data that all the applications have. Then head into settings directly and then head to general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset. Click on the reset button and click on reset all settings. And now simply go ahead and restart your mobile and all your problems should be fixed. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.